Hey all, if you enjoyed our content, please subscribe, like and comment, and we'll be forever grateful. Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias.
What is that?
Come with me. I'm going to Granger and Co.
Granger and Co.
Granger.
Gran-
It should be Granger. Follow me.
Okay, let's go.
Found something for you again.
What?
This one.
Indeed.
You're an ass man.
Don't call me an ass.
Ass man.
You ass? Strange person.
Ass man.
Really.
Yep.
Absolutely
we're going
starving.
This time, today, going for brunch.
Brunch, okay. It's always good in London.
There's actually lots of options available, but I really like Granger and Co. The Clerkenwell one.
How many is there?
Have one in Notting Hill, in Chelsea, in King's Cross, and this one in Clerkenwell.
Okay. What is Granger and Co?
Granger and Co is an Australian.
Do you have any kangaroo? Maybe not.
You behave, yeah. Ow. Look what my phone is saying to me. Sushi tetsu. Good match for you. Google knows that I'm eating lots of sushi.
You're a bit fishy sometimes.
Your ass is so fishy.
Do you know where you're going?
That way. You're the fish. It's here. Welcome.
Really? Welcome to Granger and Co.
Ricotta hotcakes
It's a hotcake.
with banana and honeycomb butter. This one.
Yeah. Full hot cake. What's been your biggest accomplishment this week?
Oh, I
Yeah?
managed to punch myself in
good.
the face.
Oh, how did you do that?
I was trying to wear my sleeve, like I went like that, and then like I was struggling. I went like boom, like that, boom, like boom, like that.
Did you knock yourself out?
Almost. I started to see stars. Oh, where am I? I'm very proud of myself.
That's dumb.
You're dumb. You're really, really, really dumb.
Cheers, lady.
Water is life.
So I'm not allowed to say lady nowadays. It's supposed to be kangaroo or unicorn. Okay then, let's stop it right there. What is it you're drinking here?
That's my passion fruit soda. Like it's not overly sweet. It's things like how do you say that? Like tangerine.
It's tangy, like pea is tangy.
What? What?
Like pea is tangy. Pea.
No, not like that.
You know, my pea is quite tangy
I
sometimes.
never tried your pea, so I wouldn't know.
Well, I wouldn't be so sure about that.
No, I know. I know what I've done.
Those drinks the other night.
It wasn't with me, dude.
Oh, that was a Tuesday girlfriend. Oh, stop it right there. You were in the toilet for quite a long time.
The soap was really hard to rinse. Every time I was rinsing, I thought it was okay. Then I was drying my hands, and I kept like seeing foam. So I did it at least 4 times.
It's like super soap, was it? Do everyone watch out for Granger and Co.'s trick soap in the toilet? Oh, we have our watermelon and lime.
I prefer mine.
You don't like it so limey?
No.
Are you drinking mine? So, what have we got here?
Hot ricotta cakes with honeycomb butter maple syrup and bananas. Yes.
And then I've got some crispy, cheesy chicken schnitzels.
With rice. It's the basic dish.
That's not very nice.
But it's true. Food in my mouth. Food
You
in
said
my
it.
mouth. It's nice. I'm gonna. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Come on, hurry up. What's your name?
I like
So
it
big.
tangy. So there's a bit of corn underneath, yeah. A little bit of side salads.
So?
I don't have any words to describe it.
Rubbish.
It's sweet with the sweet corn, tangy with the lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah, like you.
I'm a bit of a what?
A lemon?
Lemon.
Yeah.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon. Let me.
His favourite things are fries. What a strange person. She put too much syrup in that. Wait, you're sweet enough. She's just... Oh, flying spoons. Behind us. Cheers. You enjoy?
I did enjoy it. It was really nice.
And here we go, we're out.
That was Granger and Co.
So,
So we just came out of Granger and Co.
what
and
did we think?
I thought it was really nice, actually. Very tasty. It's big portions. For example, my hotcakes, my
Hotcakes, ooh. What kind of hotcakes?
ricotta. But I had 3 with those were to say that. I had 3 with a banana.
The banana involved. This is getting a bit steamy. This is not PG.
This is not PG. You're like a pervert. That's different.
I'm a hotcake pervert.
Hotcake pervert. It was supposed to be 17 degrees today.
And it's only 16, can you believe it?
No, cold.
Scottish summer is back.
Yay! Anyway,
Portions were good size, but only go if you're like
very hungry.
hungry
yes.
or
Yeah.
very hungry.
To
I'm
go-
always hungry though.
Yeah, tell me about it. What I really liked about like places when you go like for brunch, it's like avocado on toast or like.
What's wrong with avocado?
No, it's nice. I have nothing against.
What's wrong with toast?
Nothing's wrong.
We find toast on your bed sometimes. Crumbs. Oh, crumbs.
I really liked about this place is that lots of different options that you don't find anywhere else. So that's why I want to go back.
So my rating, good 7.5 out of 10.
Quite decent.
What about yourself?
I give it 8
8.
out of 10.
You're always more generous than me.
Yeah, you're very how do you use the word?
Stern,
No.
strict, fussy.
Anal. The
Anal.
word. Very demanding.
Bend over. Okay.
That's our review of Granger and Co. Granger and Co.
Hey.
Granger and Co.
Hey, I want to say
Granger and
goodbye.
Co. Granger and Co.
Oh.
You can't go here.
Why not?
Crackling well. You can't go
Why?
because it's closed.
Duh.
By the way, earlier you asked me what was my biggest achievement of the week.
Yeah, you punched yourself.
I punched myself in the face. But what is yours?
My biggest
We
achievement.
want to know.
My biggest achievement every week is.
That is so not cool. That is like so not cool. Really not cool. You should be ashamed of yourself. Go to the naughty corner now. Hurry up. Silly hole.